I dare you to try this technique. And if you are familiar with me, you know I don't just come out and say, I dare you to do it. But I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be telling you how to get your specific person to talk to you with the law of assumption. If you are here because you want to have a conversation with someone specific, go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new videos like these. My next video may be the one to help you. In the comments, let's get a little positivity going. What is your favorite attribute, characteristic about your person? I'm gonna start out. One of my favorite attributes about my boyfriend is his calves. They just so dang mighty and strong. Like I go on and on and on and on. It does not have to be physical. They could be like just funny or just a great person. What is your favorite attribute about your person that you're thinking about right now? I've been starting out my new videos with a testimonial to give people hope, give people success stories, give people motivation to keep going. Sometimes we get discouraged when things don't happen as fast as we want to. But best believe, just because you can't see things happening does not mean nothing is happening at all. So, quick testimonial. Somebody sent me this Instagram. I don't know if your scripting sheets are supposed to work this fast. Well, it did for me. Laughing emoji, another emoji. I've been in separation for 4 months with my ex. We haven't spoke at all. Right as I was finishing, about to start visualizing, I get a text from him under a new number. Sometimes it really does happen that fast. Sometimes it may take a day, it may take a week, sometimes it may take a month. But the law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true is going to be true. So it doesn't matter what your past circumstances are. It doesn't matter what happened. It doesn't matter what they got going on. Whatever story you start to put together in your mind, it's eventually going to manifest. My manifestation tools are going to be linked in my description box. I have How to Manifest ebook. I have 16 different scripting worksheet packets, including the one where she was talking about filling it out, and then right at the end she gets a text from her ex on a new number. Manifesting a text or call, that's in there. But let's get into it. I said in the beginning of this video, I said I dare you to do this. I dare you to do this. I have done this so much. I have manifested great conversations. I have manifested bad conversations. Like, I want you to take a moment, and I would imagine you not feeling comfortable doing this around somebody else. You can do this in a shower when you're alone. I dare you to walk around and have the conversation you want to have with that person. Like I said, I don't care who it is, whatever outcome that you want, I want you to have the conversation as if you're talking to that person. And it might seem crazy. It might. It sounds delusional, but when I tell you, I have done this countless times, and the exact words that I have said, or me imagining them saying back to me, literally came out their mouth. I'm talking about different people, different settings. It did not matter. And every time it happened, I would have to stop and look and be like, I literally manifested this conversation. But what happened when I'm walking around and I'm having these conversations with people, afterwards, I do not dwell on it. I don't try to do it like 80 times just to make sure. Look, I wouldn't normally do it no more than probably 4 or 5 times, depending on what kind of mood I'm in, right? And it's not back to back, it's throughout the week. Look, like I said, I dare you to do this. Law of assumption. Whatever you assume to be true is going to happen. So if you want to manifest someone specific and you want to have this conversation with them, basically practice having the conversation with them out loud and then go on about your business. And I will say the conversations came up when I detached after. Like I said, I wasn't dwelling on it or anything like that. Just try it and see. Give it a little time if you need to. I've said before, just because you cannot see things happening does not mean things aren't going to happen. Things have to be moved around in your favor in order for it to happen. That's why certain things manifest faster than others. You start having these conversations with your specific person, practicing them out loud. Who's to say they haven't started thinking about you again and missing you again? You feel me? So just because you may not get a text in 30 seconds does not mean things aren't happening in your favor. But that is my little technique, my little delusional technique that works. Oh my gosh, it works. Like I said, I've done this at least probably 7 to 10 times with different people. You can apply this to your crush. Maybe you just want your crush to talk to you. Well, however you want the conversation to go, put your new story out there and watch it unfold. I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. All of my tools, my manifestation tools, are going to be linked in my description box. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day, and thank you for all the donations. I may not catch all of them in real time if you're doing the thanks button, or if you send me, especially through PayPal, they don't have it where I could just, you know, double tap and send you a message back or whatever. But thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time.